I want to address the elephants in the room. There was not a sheet on my bed when I was filming this video because I was in the middle of cleaning my room and I decided to sit down and do my makeup because that's what I felt like doing and taking a little break, okay? So don't judge. What's up, Tater Tots? Welcome back, or welcome if you're a new one. It's your girl Tate, back at it for another video. Right now, I'm just playing around with some foundation, and I'm going to do something I haven't done in a while, which is a chit chat. Chit chat, chit chat, chit chat. Let me stop playing. I have not used my pore filler by NYX, so I'm going to go in and use my pore filler by NYX. I haven't used it in a while. So basically, I just patted that in there first, and now I'm swiping it around because I added too much. I didn't do much. I already know what your girl do. If you see me looking down a lot, it's because my mirror is down this way. Brows are on, and I'm going to try something I have never done, but I'm doing a lot of things I've never done. And so I'm going to take my NYX Liquid Illuminator, and this is actually a pretty light one. This is the Morning Glow one. This is in the shade Gleam. And I think I put too much of this on my face.
6.5 hours later.
A little up close, a little personal. Eyebrows still, how my eyebrows look. Is my primer dry? Okay. I'm gonna put my foundation before I get into this makeup look. I think I even just put one pump. I don't know how many pumps, so I think I'll put just one. I might add another one if need be. Hey, I don't remember what update I gave y'all last time, but basically I have been working. I have been ignoring my chin. I need to start doing this part of my face when I do foundation, because I noticed that I don't and it be looking weird. But back to what we were talking about. I have been just working, just doing not even what I do best, but working with kids is pretty easy. Haven't really been going out much, doing much of that type of stuff, just because I need to put some. I'm just gonna put foundation on my lids. I'm not even going to worry about concealer right now because I just don't have the time. I'm gonna go in first with a pink because I definitely feel like using pink and orange. And I'm gonna go in with Zane. This is the blush palette. And I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics brush that came in like a BH Cosmetics set. It's just like a little shader one. And pick up a lot of this and pat that in my crease first. And then if I feel like I need to build it up or get a different color, I will. And I've been challenging myself to use a lot more of my lid space than I usually use. And I think I need to deposit a little bit more of that color down. It's coming out bright on camera, but it's a pretty pink. It is not, yeah. I do it with my eyes closed because there's certain places that it's not sticking. Ooh, that got really intense. I love that. Okay. I never really have topics ready to talk to y'all about. You know, like I know kind of what I want to say, but I never have written down points, and I feel like that's something that I need to work on because I love being authentic. I love being able to just come on here and talk and, you know, not really think about it too much because, you know, you don't want to have to really think about stuff too much, but I still feel like I need to start just incorporating just a little bit more structure on my channel and in these type of videos because I don't think that I provide enough structure for you guys. In this video, it's gonna be very informal and it's gonna be very like just telling y'all how I'm feeling, all that type of stuff, like talking to y'all, okay? Letting you know now. So while still telling y'all what I'm doing, because I'm gonna still give you the tips and the tricks because I'm just blowing this out, blending it, and this take a little minute. Because we probably only gonna use 2 to 3 colors. But I've been in a space where I've been good. I've been talking to people. Like, I think that's why I'm not doing as many chit chats on my YouTube. Because I'm getting that from, you know, people in my life. I'm talking to like a lot of people in my life where I'm getting, you know, just that human interaction and getting stuff on my chest and getting to talk about stuff. And I haven't just really felt passionate about topics to talk about, to be so honest. I've been so busy and working on myself, and like, Tati, you need to mind the business that pays you. That's my little saying. I just been in a space of like isolation, not isolation, but isolation from my YouTube, if that makes sense, of talking and expressing and all those type of things. I just haven't felt the need. I'm gonna go into my Take Me to Brazil palette to add some depth. Went in with this pink shade right here. I'm gonna use this small little pencil brush. I'm gonna take some of this lighter, more bubblegum pink right there on this brush. This is a E122 brush. If I know what the brush is, I will definitely tell y'all. And I'm just gonna put that on my lid. I'm gonna take my sleek highlighter palette. I'm gonna go with this pinky purpley shade. And I'm just gonna add that right here in this innermost corner, and I'm gonna bring it out a little bit. But I'm using this fluffy brush because I want to blend it. And now I'm gonna go in with my NYX retractable eyeliner in white. It's waterproof, yeah, it's in white. And I'm just gonna draw a line up here. Boom. I'm gonna take this Nika K liquid radiant liquid eyeshadow in the shade Titan. It's old Somne Titan. Not even gonna butcher that. And the way I like to use these is put them on the back of my hand. Give me a nice little brush and add it from the brush. I'm gonna take this Morphe brush, and you want to blend it out really well because it crumbles. Yeah, it'll crumble on you. Oh, you know what? I just realized I want a purple wing. So what I'm gonna do is take this black, this Wet n Wild black palette, and do sort of like a wing, but I want it to be purple. I'm gonna start with this purple in this palette, and if it's too dark for me or not shimmery enough, I will go into a different palette. And I'm just gonna press that on top of this black. This purple is not doing everything for me, so I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, which is also a palette that you could use. You could probably use this whole palette to get the look too, but I used the palettes I liked or that I want to use. I'm gonna go in with this with Chi and put that on top. That's the shimmery purple right here, but I think it's almost too dark for the look that I'm going for. Take a flat angle brush, the E115 brush. I'm gonna use that to put that line through here where I want it to be. I'm gonna take that same purple and put it under my eyes. And I'm doing this now because if I go a little too ham, look. So I'm gonna take that purple shade that we used on our under our lid. Y'all, you don't even understand how beautiful this is. And I'm going in with this brush because it's a little bit more detailed. The same brush I use for the liner, it's just a flat liner brush. I'm gonna go back in with the LA Studios brush, and I'm just thickening up this wing. I'm going in with the Infallible concealer. Yeah, it's a little bit more, I don't know. Is that this? This kind of has a perfumey smell. I I'm not used to that. Let this sit for a little bit, get a little tacky. And while I'm letting that sit, I'm gonna put on my cream contour. Look at my face. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get the darker shade because this isn't even gonna be my winter shade. Like, not even. So, to go over that, I'm gonna use my MAC concealer in NC45. And NW45, I mean. So I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Can't Stop Won't Stop powder because that's the darkest powder I have, and I feel like it'll do the best job to muting this madness I call a beat. I don't know if I can. We're going to try it at least. So I'm gonna take some of the powder and put it on this side. I'm going to use the bottom of the sponge. So crazy because I was just thinking about doing the drag look, but I didn't want to because I didn't want to block out my brows. Well, turns out you didn't even need to block out your brows, Tate. I'm going to powder contour now because if I don't, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm using my Ruby Kisses. I'm using my same old for my face other than the concealers. So I was using my Ruby Kisses. That's why I used the cream contour. And that is what I'm now using to powder contour. And for blush, we're going to use that same pink that we use on our eyes. And that is Zane. Zane is so pretty. And I really like this pink. So I'm going to bring it down into my contour and mix the two. And so then I'm gonna go in with my micro smooth, and that just smooths out your face. But what I will say is I'm looking a little bright, but this looks beautiful. So I'm gonna spray my face. I'm gonna cover my eyes. I'm gonna spray my face down because we're giving a little powdery tease and we ain't trying to do that the whole time. So we're gonna spray our face. So now I'm gonna go into my Sleek palette and I'm gonna use this light pink, and I'm gonna use my highlighting brush and I'm going to highlight. I'm gonna use this pink right here first, and if I want to go into the light pink, I will. Now I'm going with the little lighter color because this is not giving me the tease I need. Yeah. So something that I like to do, I added a little bit to my nose of the lighter pink. And something I like to do on my cheeks is, I'm going to go in, this is actually a blending brush, it's a BH Cosmetic blending brush. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this lighter pink just to intensify it right here. We're going to use this color. This is a Ruby Kisses matte lipstick in the color Nude Rose. It looks like this. It's a nice little pinky shade. Put that in the middle of my lips. And I just put that on the center of my lips. I didn't go in with the, I'm patting them together now. I didn't go in with a lip liner. I'm going to use my natural lip color as my lip liner, and I'm going to go in with that. And then I'm going to go on top of it with the Diamond Gloss and Girl Power. And gloss always darkens colors for me, so I'm fine with how my face looks. I'm gonna put on some lashes, put on a cute little wig, and then I'm gonna actually take my hair down and we're gonna see how we look after that. Alright guys, okay. Your girl is back and I look good. The lashes are on, the hair is down, and we are almost complete. You know, whenever I put on the makeup sweater that it's about to get lit, okay? Y'all already know your girl is getting lit and she doing some popping tons. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And y'all know what? I struggled through this video a little bit because y'all know that concealer was not it. But your girl looked good in the end. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up just off the strength of that. Okay? Off the strength of this concealer trying me. Go ahead and share this video too so other people can see this video. They can get acquainted with this potato face and this potato family and this beat hunty. Okay? And last but not least, you know what you got to do before you leave. Subscribe to my channel so you can grow what your girl ain't. Don't look at my bed either. She a little bit of a mess. I don't care. I have to film this video.